Good morning, guys. It is day one of river fishing. We're gonna be looking for some big ones today. You know what I'm saying? Me and old Reed's Wildlife, he's sitting over there under the shed getting his stuff ready. We're gonna be on my little boat, my little John boat, with the little 24 horse on the back. We're gonna be seeing if we can't catch any big fish today. The river's a little high, but we might go to Morrison Springs and see if we can't get some light line on there and catch some of them big old striped bass or something. But I'll see you guys on the water. This is day one. Morning, guys. It's about 7 o'clock, I think, in the morning. I've got this black and yellow frog tied on with the red lips. We're gonna see if we can catch anything. Let's get right into this. No, I got it. Oh, yeah, first one, boys. Tied up between me and Levi now. Got him on the crawfish crankbait. Right here, boys. Nice one. Boys, I didn't have my GoPro on, but I caught another one right here on the little white Cinco. Little guy, not big enough. Got him, guys. He's a nice one. Oh yeah, he's fighting hard. Get this net right here. Oh, come here. Oh yeah. That's a nice spot. It's a big old spot. Big one right there, boys. Ooh, hook popped right out. Look at the belly on that thing. Nice spot, boys. Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of river fishing. And it's pretty chilly this morning, I'm not gonna lie. But it's gonna be a weird video today. I'm gonna have some of Levi's fishing here because we're gonna be doing 2 separate boats. 1, 2. And we're gonna be seeing who catches the most fish. So a little tournament here, and I guess the biggest poundage of fish wins. So it's kind of weird, but y'all get it at the end because I'll explain it more. Anyways, guys, I'll see y'all on the water. Peace. There's one, boys. Keep him down. Oh yeah, nice one. Nice one. Come here, you little spot. Come here. Gotcha. Alright, boys, first one of this little tournament on a black trick worm. Nice. Ooh, he's got some sharp teeth. First one, boys. Let's freaking go. Alright, guys, now I'm going to be doing something that I usually don't do. And just because I'm on this trip, I'm gonna do it just for y'all. You know, I got a cricket and a cork. And the cork's about 2 foot away from the cricket. And we're just going up by these trees like this, overhanging trees. We're throwing that cricket inside them holes. And once you start seeing that cork bob, that means there's one on it. So I'm gonna get back to y'all guys when I got a fish on. Alright, guys, I got one. Oh, he's a pretty good one. Oh, it's a bass. It's a bass. Alright, it's a bass. It's a bass. It's a nice bass. It's a nice bass. Come here. Oh yeah, baby. Love them head shakes. Oh, come on. Come on. Ooh. Yeah, I love that. Come here. Oh, he didn't like that net. He did not like that net right there. Come here. Come here. He's a nice one. Look at that, baby. Nice bass. Holy crap, he's chunky. Right at the top of the lip right there. Look at that. That's nice. That's why I like doing this. Because sometimes you can get lucky like this. And when you're not catching the bass, you're catching the bass. I mean, look at the stomach on that guy. This guy is pure, healthy. Oh, look at that. He's got a crawfish down his throat. He's got a crawfish down there. Hang on. Let's see. I got a pair of pliers in here somewhere. Somewhere. Hang on, I'll get back to y'all guys. Holy crap, that's a big crawfish. Look at there, boys. In this fish's mouth. See that color? That's what we need to start fishing with. Alright, let's put him in the live well. Whew, nice. Alright guys, so you want to find as much structure as you can. So see there's like sticks and stuff right here. And once you find that, you just stow next to them. Just like that. Let that sink. I don't know why, but fish just love a cricket. And they will kill this thing. I'll see y'all when I have another fish. I'm getting a bite right here. It's kind of running with it. You see how my cork's moving around a little? As soon as that sucker goes under, I'm going to get him. Got him. What the heck? Is this what I think it is? A little shiner? Ooh, I might use this in a video later. Looks like I'm going shiner fishing, boys. Alright, I'm gonna fill up this bucket right here and put this little shiner in him. Getting a bite, boys. Got him. Another shiner. Or a river roach, one of the two. I'm gonna put him in my little bucket. Hope it's a shiner. Oh yeah, this will give me a good bass. Got a good one right here, boys. Good bluegill. Huge bluegill.
Someone's right there.
Cute. Good morning, guys. It is day 3 of river fishing, and we are at this slough called Cedar Tree. We're gonna be seeing if we can't catch any bass today, so it's gonna be interesting. We're gonna be doing a little challenge where there's 2 people versus me, and we're gonna see how that goes. Been doing that the last couple of days, so I mean, I've been catching a little bit of fish, but not much. So I'll get back with y'all when I hit the water. Alright guys, we're starting on these rocks right here, trying to get a top while they blow up. Got the first one, boys. Little guy. White gold spinnerbait. Little guy on the spinnerbait. A little bit better than the first one. Not by much. First one. Second one, I mean. Dang, I'm off today. Oh, I got a nice one on here, boys. Oh, he's a nice one. Got him in the freaking boat. Let's go, baby. Let's friggin' go. That's a nice one. Alright guys, for the fun of it, let's just get a weight on this guy. £2, 3 ounces. Nice. That's a nice fish right there, boys.